Coachmen has recognized the need for a variety of lightweight couples floor plans and has introduced the Remote 17R, offered at the show for $26,000 at a length of 20 feet 8 inches with a weight of 4,700 pounds gross. This floor plan sleeps 3 and is easy to tow with an SUV or half-ton truck. Outside there's a griddle, a 14-foot awning, and doors to access the pass-through basement. Inside you'll find a 54 by 74 inch bed, nightstands, and overhead storage. This model offers air conditioning and a propane furnace. The kitchen includes a 2-burner stove, microwave below, and cabinets above. The fridge is a 2-door Magic Chef. The bath has a surround shower and a medicine cabinet. The dinette converts for sleeping.